In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning solar system presentation in PowerPoint using Morph transitions. This is a fantastic way to add some dynamic flair to your presentation, capturing the beauty of our solar system in a unique and engaging manner. Let's dive right into the steps to make this happen. First things first, go ahead and open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you have a blank presentation ready. If you already have a presentation where you'd like to add this effect, that works too. Either way, having PowerPoint open is our starting point. Next, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. If it's a new file, you'll want to save it with a name that reflects the theme, something like Solar System Presentation, so you can easily locate it later. Once you're in your presentation, look up at the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. This is where we find various objects and media that can be added to our slides to enrich the content. Here we want to focus on 3D models. Clicking on that will bring up a library of 3D content that can really bring your slides to life. In the search bar that appears, type in planets. This will pull up a selection of wonderfully detailed 3D models of planets that are available. Take your time to go through these and select the ones you'd like to feature in your presentation. You can choose multiple planets if you want to showcase the diversity of our solar system. After selecting the planets you desire, click on Insert. This will add the 3D models directly to your slide, allowing you to see their initial positions. Now, right-click on your current slide and select Duplicate Slide. This step is crucial as it creates a working copy where you'll animate your planets using the Morph transition. Focus on one planet at a time. On the duplicated slide, start by selecting a single 3D planet model. This is where the fun begins. Move and rotate each planet on the second slide to your liking. For example, you might want to rotate Earth slightly, or adjust Mars's position to show a different angle. Let your creativity guide you. Go through the same process with the remaining planets. Each planet can have its own unique position or orientation on the second slide. This setup is what makes the Morph transition so visually appealing. Once all your planets are set, head over to the Transitions tab. This is where we add our magic touch. Under the transition options, select Morph. By choosing this, PowerPoint will automatically animate the transformation between the positions of your planets from one slide to the next, creating a seamless flowing effect that captures attention. And there you have it, a beautiful solar system presentation, enhanced with engaging Morph transitions. Save your work and you're ready to present it to an audience. With practice, you'll find Morph transitions to be a versatile tool, perfect for creating captivating presentations on a wide range of topics. Enjoy your brand new slide deck.